Today, we need to talk about a major update in the case of XRP and Ripple versus the SEC. My friends, this is not over yet, but deadlines are coming up that you need to be aware of, and there is a chance that the SEC could potentially appeal the ongoing case that they have just settled, actually, with XRP and the Ripple team, resulting in a multi-million-dollar settlement, which right now has some breaking news that I want to share with you guys today. We'll talk about that, and I want to talk about a potential trade that might be a decent opportunity on this news for the XRP chart and looking at XRP versus Bitcoin. So welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button if you like the content, subscribe to the channel for more, and let's hop right into this. So Bitcoin today is not doing tremendously well. It is the month of September, and typically things are bearish in September, and we're exactly seeing that right now. XRP is also down today to 54 cents, down 2.3% over the last 24 hours, and only down 3.5% over the last 7 days, which compared to the rest of the crypto market, some coins are up over the last 7 days, but not many at all. A ton of coins are down. So XRP is a very strong token, and it's been holding right at about 50 to 60 cents for quite a while. But it has been crashing in its value versus Bitcoin because Bitcoin has been going up over the last year or so, while XRP has kind of just been stagnant, more or less. What's the big news happening with this coin right now? Let's get into it. Ripple and the SEC agree to stay $125 million judgment, hinting at an appeal. What does this mean? Does this mean that there is going to be an appeal in this case? Well, recently they did come to an agreement, and Ripple owed the SEC $125 million for selling unregistered securities, for really selling some of their crypto, essentially. And but in this case, they also determined that XRP is not a security. Now, they're going to potentially appeal this case, basically to come back and say, no, we want to fight this more in the courts. The SEC wants to say, no, it is a security. You know, they might want to continue battling this firm, the Ripple firm. They might not, though. They might not. They might appeal it. They might not. Well, here's the deal. The legal team defending Ripple Labs against a case filed by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has requested to stay the monetary position from the August 7th judgment. Again, Ripple was requested to pay $125 million to essentially move past all this. Now, on September 4th, there was a new filing from the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York. Ripple's lawyers said that the SEC had agreed to request a delay payment of the judgment after September 6th. The legal team proposed that Ripple place 111% of that $125 million, so now $139 million, into a bank account until 30 days after the time to appeal expires. And so when the deadline comes for this appeal, okay, and that's coming up, guys, this will be owed. When that deadline comes, they will have to pay the $125 million. They requested 111% of that $125 million just to be in an account ready to go, right? But why are they doing this? Because in the meantime, if the SEC appeals this case, well, then the $125 million is not going to be owed. And so what Ripple is doing is saying, well, we're going to wait until the deadline comes, until we know you're not going to appeal it, before we pay you. Because why are we going to give you this money if you're just going to appeal it, and then we're going to have to bring this $125 million into this thing and try to get that back because now we have a whole different case and it's ongoing. No, they're not going to do that. And so what this story is hinting is that there's still a chance, hinting that the SEC might want to appeal this case. That would not be good for the price of XRP. But here's what would be good for the price of XRP. If this deadline comes out, okay, and the SEC's runway to appeal this case is gone, right, and they have no more runway left, right, and they don't appeal it, that's going to be a very bullish catalyst for XRP. And so, we do see XRP and Ripple move on news. Recently had partners in Japan and in Asia. This is great to see. Ripple's price moves on news. And so what could happen, guys, and I think it could make for a killer trade potentially, is when this window closes for the SEC to appeal this case, XRP could start the moon really quickly, I think. And, I like to trade on Blowfin. I think this is one of the best trading platforms you're going to trade it. I know a lot of people are trying to figure out where to buy XRP still because it was delisted from a lot of exchanges, relisted recently. But here's something you need to be aware of, guys. XRP's valuation versus Bitcoin is very low. I believe that XRP is at a very good discount right now, historically speaking, because it is valued much lower than it's historically been versus BTC. I'll also tell you guys this, looking at the XRP price versus the dollar, I do think that we could see this thing come back up to $1. In fact, I think we could see this thing hit this green line that I have at about $1.88, call it $2, if we can break through this dollar threshold. I'm going to make a prediction, guys. If the SEC does not choose to appeal this case, and we do see this be totally resolved, I think that's going to be the catalyst for XRP to go back above $1. And if XRP goes back above $1, it's going to be on its way quick to $2, I think. The good news for XRP here as well is, with the valuation versus Bitcoin being low, with it just being stuck in this area for a while, with that lawsuit officially being over, the appeal out of the way, not happening, if that's how it plays out. The timing of this is great because we have been waiting on Bitcoin to enter a bull market. Look at how long Bitcoin's been trading to the side. We're waiting on the parabolic breakout for the total market cap of crypto, right? Every single bull market back from 2017. Here's the 2021. You think this is the total bull market? I don't think so. I think historically we always see new highs, parabolic blow off tops for the crypto market cap overall. And the overall market cap, even though Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, the overall market cap has not. And XRP certainly hasn't. I think that it's due. And the timing of this could be great. So keep an eye, guys, whether the SEC appeals this or not. If the SEC chooses not to appeal that and the window of time expires, I think it could be incredibly bullish. Probably a great long trade, honestly, for XRP on the day of that news. But always, I like to kind of get in and get out of these positions rather quickly because sometimes you have a buy the rumor, sell the news thing. And sometimes it's, the news happens and then you just have a quick pump and then kind of like, okay, the calm is back. But if Bitcoin's blasting off, I think there could be some continuation for XRP. If you want to trade it, again, you can sign up for Blowfin. I have a link pinned in the description for you guys, pinned in the comments section. Free money when you sign up for Blowfin. If you deposit $2,000, you can get $300 to trade for free. So check it out if you guys want to do that. But that's the big news I have for you guys for XRP today. I'm an XRP bull. I'm bullish on it. I don't love XRP. I don't love the bankers token personally. But from a trade perspective, I think it's inevitable that this community has been around for a long time. This is a top 10 cryptocurrency. And when this total market cap blasts off, I think XRP is going to move big time. Well past $1, well past $2, and probably even to the $5 to $10 range. That's all I have in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is a Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I will see you next time, y'all. Peace.